guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, click that subscribe button, turn on because you give me huge thumbs up. Today, I'm going to be showing you satisfying parts about slime. So just keep on doing this. No, do this. And do this and then, oh, and then it just did a pop right there. Oh, it just did. And now.
Lynn just texted that she needs, emergency lacrosse balls. Fine, but let me out. I'm not running another errand. Forget it. We'll go home. Lana, we got explanations for little now. Lincoln is almost home. This game is impossible.
Ooh. And now let's do the pop thing in the TV again. Okay. Okay, now let's do this. Here, let's see, guys. And that's all how I know how to make. So, see you in my next video. Make sure to remember, give me huge thumbs up. Tell me how you like this video. And don't forget, have fun, do new things, explore new things. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!